Saturday afternoon, everybody. Camp Really Live. Pure Focus Sports Club. Exercise of the day. AMBF exercise of the day. Hammer curls. We'll bring them up. This side. Like I like to say, people understand it. Nipple to nipple. Nipple to nipple. Work the outside head of your bicep, brachioradialis on your forearm, and brachiolaris. Get up, nipple to nipple. If you're afraid to use weight, raise at 55s here. Bang them out. 10 each arm, or something like that. Those are hammer curl, nipple to nipple. That's AMBF style. We had a great show in Westchester, Irvington, New Jersey. Well, actually, Irvington, New York, sorry. Not New Jersey. Great time, good turnout, good crowd, good competitors. Had a good time. AMBF Crazy Train, live and well. Next stop this weekend in Boca Raton. We also had a show in California this past weekend. Reports from that was very successful. Buddy Mark Wilbliner out there, guest poser, doing his thing. So I'll be down in Boca this weekend. The MC and head judge probably can be convinced to guest post. So if you're down there, down in that area, come check it out. Then we got the home show, the home station. AMBF Crazy Train pulls into Brick, New Jersey, September 27th. That's the 8th year we've had that show. Got a lot of pro divisions, we got a lot of amateurs, we got a lot of people signed up already. 3 weeks to go. Get those apps in, it's not too late. That's it. It's Camp Really Live, Pure Focus Sports Club. All aboard.